Imagine this, you are running a mid-sized finance firm, your team is drowning in manual tasks. Compliance regulations keep piling up. Costs are rising, but efficiency is not. Sounds familiar? Now, what if I told you there's a way to automate, optimize, and scale without overhauling your entire system? That's exactly what we do at Auxiliobits. My name is Yukta and I am Business Development Representative at Auxiliobits. In this video, I am going to tell you how we have been driving efficiency and innovation for mid-sized finance firm. So let's dive in. So who we are? We are not just another tech company throwing around buzzwords. We are a global software consulting and AI advisory firm specializing in hyper-automation and digital transformation. We have a team of certified UiPath developers and we have our offices in India, US and Dubai as well. We have a decade of experience in solving the real world challenges. We don't just build boats, we build smarter businesses. Ever wonder what's behind our automation magic? Here's a glimpse into the technologies we use. So we use the process mining, communication mining, task mining, digital automation, testing, chatbot, analytics, DevOps, and governance. We ensure that our solutions fit seamlessly into your existing setup. So here are our partnerships and recognitions. We are trusted by the industry leaders. So great works gets noticed and we are proud to be recognized for our contributions to automation and AI-driven transformation. We have partnered with leading tech firms like UiPath. We have received industry awards and delivered game-changing solutions for businesses across the globe. So these are the challenges that hold the financial firms back. Now let's talk about the real pain points that finance teams deal with daily basis. So here we have manual, repetitive processes that slow everything down. The rising cost put pressure on margins. Regulatory compliance is becoming more complex. Fragmented systems create errors and inefficiency. Lack of real-time insights leads to slow decision making. So through our solutions, the financial firm noticed a big change. They were now able to focus on important decision makings like forecasting and predictions. So why choose us? We are not here to sell automation. We are here to solve problems. What we deliver is tailored automation solutions, deep expertise in SAP and Oracle automations because we know finance, AI-powered boards which helps in invoice processing, fraud detection and compliance monitoring. We have proven results. We don't just promise, we deliver. So these are our services, what we automate. We make finance operations faster, smarter and error-free. We automate the manual procedures through our bots, including accounts payable and receivable automation, customer onboarding and KYC, compliance and risk management, financial reporting automation, fraud detection and prevention. So how we do that? Our bots extract the data from the invoices, receipts to document, understanding and validate and optimize the details and input it into the web portal. Our every service is designed to cut costs, boost efficiency and drive growth. So this is our process. How we make it happen? We don't believe in automation chaos. We follow a structured approach. We understand your unique challenges. Then we craft a roadmap that works for you. And then we seamlessly deploy our solutions into your business without any disruptions. We offer you real-time performance tracking and optimization. We ensure that automation is not just implemented but optimized for an impact. So through this case study, let's talk about the real impact. A global luxury apparel manufacturer approached us struggling with manual material ledger closing, slow invoice processing, complex general ledger reconciliation, time-consuming month-end and year-end closures. What were the results? The results were they were able to reduce 50% reduction in their processing time, 80% reduction in their manual efforts, 30% faster month-end and year-end closures, and improved efficiency, accuracy, and compliance. So why automation matters? Still wondering if automation is worth it? So let's break it down. Efficiency gain, less manual work and fewer errors. Cost savings, cut operational expenses by 30 to 50%. Grow without adding unnecessary overhead costs. The question is no longer should we automate. It's how fast can we get started? So here's my question to you. Where do you see your firm in next 5 years? Struggling with manual inefficiencies or scaling with seamless automation and AI driven decision making? If you are ready to transform the way you work, let's talk. Do reach us out at www.auxiliobits.com and let's build the future of finance together.